Meaning of homoerotic.
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 Homoerotic. The term homoerotic refers to content that involves sexual desire or attraction between people of the same gender. It encompasses a broad range of expressions, including literature, art, and other forms of media. The purpose of homoeroticism is to explore and celebrate same-sex relationships, often in opposition to heteronormative culture. Homoerotic art has a rich history dating back to ancient times and has been created by artists from a diverse range of backgrounds. Overall, homoeroticism serves as an important expression of LGBTQ+ identity and culture.